When I first started looking into Oklahoma City University, I was interested in event planning. And I didn't really have any idea what major would go into that. Nobody was advertising wedding planning degrees. So I was just kind of originally thinking a business degree, just so I knew how to run my own small business. But it just did not seem as exciting. It was, just a lot of accounting and things that I was less interested in. I knew it was still very important and I needed the knowledge, but I wanted something a bit more creative. And so I found out about the event planning track in the entertainment business program, and that just seemed like the perfect fit. Even the classes that I was required to take, even those classes I was able to just take the parts that I knew definitely related to wedding planning and just find those connections throughout everything. And that's something that I find, it's just like a fun thing to think about, is how much wedding planning does relate to stage management. I was assistant stage manager my junior year, and that was a lot of guiding our crew and telling them when to put the props on stage and having to load in the show and making sure everything's set up in a timely manner, because we don't have that much time, but everything still has to be very organized and detailed. I learned a ton about stage management and costume design and the lighting, of course, and some sound design. So there are tons of different aspects of entertainment. We even talked some about contracts and a little bit of law, entertainment law. I would say definitely look into the entertainment business program, because there's so many different options with it. And I know lots of people that, go into it, we've had several people that have changed their minds within the entertainment business program. They thought they wanted to go into event planning and instead went into stage management, or the other way around. And so there's lots of different options, and you get exposed to so many different types of things that you can really choose and you don't have to pick a track right away. You can just go in and just know that being in the entertainment industry is what you want. I definitely feel like I learned so much, and I'm still, can apply it to anything that I do here in the wedding planning business.